Hello everyone. Today I'll discuss exercise 16.2 question number 3. If 24x is a multiple of 3 where x is a digit, what is the value of x? Let us find. Since 24x, since 24x, since 24x, 24x is a multiple of 3, is a multiple of 3, is a multiple, is a multiple of 3, is a multiple of 3. The sum of its digits is multiple of 3. The sum of its digits, 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 the sum of its digits is a multiple of 3, is a multiple, is a multiple, is a multiple of 3, multiple of 3. Sum of digits, sum of digits, sum of digits of 24x is equal to 2 plus 4 plus x, 2 plus 4 plus x, and that is equal to x plus 6, x plus 6. Here x plus 6, x plus 6 is a multiple of 3, is a multiple of 3, is a multiple of 3. This is possible, this is possible, this is possible, this is possible when x plus 6, x plus 6 is any of these numbers, any of these numbers, any of these numbers, 0, 3, 6, 9, and so on. Since x is a single digit number, x is a single digit number, single digit, since x is a single digit, since x is a single, x is a single digit number, x is a single digit number, x is a single digit number, the sum of the digits, 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 the sum of the digits can be 6 or 9, can be 6, or 9 or 12 or 15. And thus, and thus, and thus, the value of x, the value of x, the value, thus the value of x, x comes to be 0, comes to be, comes to be 0 or 3 or 6 or 9 respectively, or 9 respectively, or 9 respectively. Thus, x can have its value any of the four different values as any of the any of the four any of the four different values, four different values, 0, 3, 6, 0, 3, 6 or 9. Let us repeat once again. Here you see that since 24x is a multiple of 3, the sum of its digits is a multiple of 3. Sum of the digits of 24x is 2 plus 4 plus x, that is x plus 6. Here x plus 6 is a multiple of 3. This is possible when x plus 6 is any of these numbers, that is 0, 3, 6, 9 and so on. Since x is a single digit number, the sum of the digits can be 6, 9, 12 or 15, and thus the value of x comes to be 3, 6, 0, 3, 6 or 9 respectively. Thus x can have its value as any of the four different values, that is 0, 3, 6 or 9. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.